This video will demonstrate installation of an elevation motor into a treadmill. Though we are using a Precor C956i, the process is similar on many different makes and models. Turn off the power and unplug the unit from the wall. Remove the bolt holding the ground wire. Unplug the elevation motor harness from the IFT drive. Tip the machine on its side. Carefully remove the cotter pin and shaft from the upper end of the elevation motor. Now remove the hardware from the lower end of the motor. Be aware the motor will be loose once the hardware is removed. Now the motor is free from the frame. Carefully remove it. Adjust the tube on the elevation motor so that there is 1 1/4 inches of the jack screw exposed. Place the new calibrated lift motor into the frame. Reinstall the hardware in the upper end of the lift motor first. Now reinstall the hardware into the opposite end of the elevation motor. Carefully tilt the machine back into its normal position. Reinstall the ground cable to the frame. And be sure to plug in that wiring harness from the motor over to the IFT drive as well.